Previously on the Chris Goforth channel.
I love this.
Where does he stick his needle in? Boom, 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 boom. In the end.
First, I think we're going to go into the zombie horde. Into the zombie horde. Hope they can fix that window back there on that car.
Help me! Please! I don't want to be like them! Family!
Look at this ooze everywhere. Authorized personnel only. I don't think we're authorized.
You're gonna die in there! They're gonna rip you apart! Peace!
I hope not. I don't think he made it. That's tiny. A bunch of tombstones there.
Station active. Enter. Remain standing. Decontamination in progress. Error. Please remain standing.
Zombies everywhere. We should be thankful we got out of there alive. Milk Creek Manor has no line, so gonna do it. Into the manor.
Oh yeah,
Enjoy your stay. Good evening, sir. Please move forward.
Don't you know we're all prisoners of Milton? Pretty soon you'll be too.
Follow that line, leader! Go! Mr. Milton's lost his mind. You need to leave.
So that was a quick walkthrough. I couldn't tell whether or not the little floating person above the bed was working or not. There was somebody there actually operating it, I think, pushing a button. So I missed it, just like a second too late for some of the scare. So maybe we'll try it later, if you dare. I'm gonna walk through the scare zone by Orca Stadium. I forget what it's called. I think this is the Inferno Bar. Gravedigger, vodka, triple sec, mango syrup, Monster Smash. Sounds good. More Jello shots, undead rum shot. That's creepy. Think you lost your head.
Where's your head?
Dibs on the floor. Nah, I ain't in the mood for veal. About you?
Here at Zombie Bites, you have bacon wrapped turkey, turkey legs, pulled pork, foot-long hot dogs, jalapeno cheddar sausage on a stick. How you doing? You a stay-at-home mom?
I can be.
Mortimer is back.
Dude,
He said that's so offensive. He was like, dude.
you want to know the first few digits of pi? 31415926535897932384623846264.
What food do you like?
Brains. You got any?
Let's go get a bite.
Where's Wyatt?
That's my kind of talk. Yes, let's get a bite.
Let's see what's going on in Ripper Row. Hi. Gonna head into Atlantis, the Cursed Chasm. I hear there's been some updates. Let's find out what they were. This is the longest line so far. So Atlantis is having technical difficulties, so we'll come back later and get scared. Here's a look at the interactive skulls lit up. They change colors. Does like smoke or something come out of them? Ew, creepy. This is where we're headed to next, over by the Steel Eel. Let's head back by the bayou. Maybe hit up the swamp. This is new. Oh, yeah! She got me on that one. Oh, man. Hi. Some more gator food. They got me on that one. That one girl at the end got me. So I had one come out of the corner, scared me. I actually screamed. That was scary. Hello, bunny. What the heck? That doesn't look like Divine. Gonna head into what was my favorite house last year, disassembly line.
Welcome to our facility. We're so glad you're here.
Look at what he did to me! He'll do the same to you if you don't get out of here!
That's an awesome house. That is an awesome house. Man, I like that house so much. It was an hour wait though. So if you're gonna go through it, I would recommend on that one, get in front of the line pass. Or there was somebody in line selling $10 per person one shot to get to the front of the line. so you might want to think about that. In Currents, checking out some of the new merchandise. Big old pin. These are cool.
I like this.
Little snow globe. Oh. Collector tin. $42 with a shirt inside of it. Spirit jersey. Paint splatter. Time to head into Howl-O-Scream's Industria District. The acrobats are back. Got a nice little dance party happening out here. I like your bear.
My voodoo doll, Mr. Schnookums.
Mr. Snookums. You all having a tea party?
We're inviting all of our friends to play with us.
It looks kind of red though for tea.
Serve it with cockroach.
Yummy. Cockroaches. Enjoy your tea party.
Want ice cream?
Yes.
There you go. Bye-bye.
Hi. So there's quite a line. What the heck is that? That's quite a hairdo. Popcorn! Get your popcorn! Not sure what the front is or the back of that. Creepy!
I just want a bite of you. I just want to hide with you. You like what you see? Doesn't it look fabulous?
You do look fabulous.
Why, thank you. Give my left side, it has more blood.
Have a good night.
Bye now.
What do you think you're looking for, sir?
I'm looking for the Ripper.
Well, you've come to the right place, unfortunately for us all. Got the good doctor here.
Hello, doctor.
Where's the Ripper? He's about.
Be on the lookout for him.
I think he might be in there. I don't know.
I'll check.
Yeah. Come on. 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 Come on
Hello, Ripper, you in there? Ripper?
Who goes there?
You're not the
No
Ripper.
whereabouts of Jack the Ripper.
You don't look like the Ripper.
Well, I'm not the Ripper. I'm from down under.
Ah,
I'm here to hunt the Ripper. Tonight will be the night I hunt the Ripper. I didn't come all the way over here for nothing.
I hear the siren call. Let's hit the house. Oh, AC. Thank goodness. Holy. She's following me. Hey, it's a sea monster. Yeah. Yeah. Holy cow!
Come on, let's go. We have some time, we have some time.
That way? Holy jeez! What the heck is this? Jeez. Okay, much better than last year. Added some few things on there. Good night. Added a few things. Had a few scares there. That was good. So that's going to do it from SeaWorld San Antonio. Thank you so much for joining me through this hunt. I appreciate it. Thanks for clicking on the thumbnail. Hope you enjoyed these haunted houses. My favorite's still disassembly line. It was an hour wait, so if you're going to get a skip the line, that's the one to do it for. The swamp, very sparse with scare actors, but I did get the best scare there. So a lot of walking around, a lot of dead space there. Got through the Atlantis Dark Chasm or Cursed Chasm. That one was fun. I got separated from my group, but you know, that was all right. I hit all of them, all except Bunny Bradley's ice cream parlor, but I've already done that, so I'll do it next time with the Masons. But from 7 to 11, well, actually 7 to 11, you can probably get through all the houses depending on the crowds, but you might still want to think about getting that Fright Pass. Anyway, thanks for watching, and now for something completely different. Good night. I forgot to mention that there was a couple people that I talked to in line who were interacting with me through the houses. Some of them asked about the YouTube channel. If it's you, thank you for asking about it. I hope that you'll subscribe. It was nice meeting you.